Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Logitech Mouse M90. I have brought two Logitech mouse. I have brought it from the local market. The MRP of each mouse is rupees 395 INR each. And here, this is the mouse, very nice and stylish. On the back side, here you can see the instructions, and here you can see the barcode. And this is a Logitech mouse, black in color, model is M90. And now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my knife and it is tightly sealed from all sides as a logo of its authenticity. And now I am cutting it open, and here I am cutting it, and it is black in color and is fully corded mouse. And here I am opening it, and now here I have opened it, and this is the mouse, and here it is out, and it is also enclosed in thin polythene. And here now I am taking out the manual, and this is the instruction manual how to use the product. And on the top you can see there is written Logitech, and it has different languages, Chinese, Spanish, and different languages. The instructions are written. And here this is the mouse, it is enclosed in thin polythene. And now I am going to take it out, and here I am taking it out, and this is the mouse, and it is black in color. It has long wear of 90 centimeter. And here I am unwinding it, and here it is almost done. It can be used comfortably with laptops and desktops. Logitech M90 mouse gives you just the basics for comfortable and reliable control of your computer. It has a contoured shape designed for all day comfort in either hand. And here this is the scroll wheel, and it has a 3-button solution and a built-in scroll wheel for enhanced control and productivity. And it has a very long wear. And here it is written Logitech, the brand is Logitech and model is M90, and the mouse is black in color, and it has a very long wear. And on the back side you can see the optical sensor. The high definition optical tracking of 1000 dpi enables responsive and smooth cursor control for precise and easy text selection. And here there are other instructions. And here now I am going to plug it in the USB port, and here I have plugged in the computer's USB port, and now I am using it, and it can be used straight either way. And here I am clicking it. This is the right click, this is the left click. And on the back side you can see the optical sensor with the high resolution of 1000 dpi. And here I am refreshing it, and the mouse can be used very easily with or without mouse pad. Logitech mouse M90 is simple to set up and there is no software to install. And since it is corded, you can just plug the cable into the USB port and use it right away. It gives full size comfort with ambidextrous design and is designed to keep either hand happy, so you feel comfortable even after hours of use. It supports Windows 7 and above and Mac OS 10.x or above. It moves very smoothly with or without mouse pad. It has a 1-year warranty, and it is made in accordance with strict guidelines that comply the standards and ensure long lasting quality. And it is very nice, and it can be used both comfortably with laptops and desktops, and it is very comfortable, and it has a very contoured shape and designed for all day comfort. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.